Hello OneMinuteLab. As you all know, AWS has changed its EC2 dashboard. So let's move to AWS console and see how we can create and launch Windows Server 2022 instance using AWS new dashboard. As you can see, we are in AWS console. Here in recently visited, click on EC2. Now here click on launch instance, then click on launch instance. Here you can see the new dashboard for EC2 instance. In the name you can provide the name or tag for your instance. For example, I am typing server-2022. If you want to add additional tags, then click on add additional tag, and here you can provide different tag for your instance. Now scroll down to the AMI. Here in quick start you can see by default it is showing us Amazon Linux AMI. We want to launch Microsoft AMI. For this click on Windows or Microsoft, and here click on confirm changes. Now you need to choose AMI for your instance. For this click on drop down menu, and here you can scroll down and choose the Windows Server 2022 based AMI. Now scroll down to instance type. T2.micro is good for our testing purpose. Leave it as default. Now scroll down to key pair. If you do not have any key pair, you can click on create a new key pair and give it name. Then in key format you can choose .pem or .ppk. .pem is good for our testing purpose, so click on create key pair. As we click on create key pair, it will download this key pair in our computer. Now further scroll down to the network settings. Here we need only RDP, so by default RDP is allowed. Further scroll down to the configuration storage. If you want to increase the size of your storage, then you can provide it here, otherwise leave it default, and then click on launch instance. Now scroll down and click on view all instances. Here it will take couple of minutes, so we need to wait. As you can see, our instance is ready now. If you check the status check, here you can see this is showing 2x2 check passed. So now we need to connect this server. For this click on this instance, now then click on connect. Here we need to connect using RDP client, so click on RDP client. First of all we need a password for this instance. For this click on get password, then click on browse and choose your appropriate key, then click on decrypt password. Here you can see this is showing a password. Copy this password. Now we need to download RDP client. For this click on download remote desktop file. Here you can see our RDP file is downloaded. Click on open file, then click on connect. Here we need to provide the password, then click OK, and here click on yes. As you can see, we have connected to our server successfully. If I click on start and click on server manager, here you can see the server manager dashboard for our Windows Server 2020. Hope you like this video. See you next video.